dee da do da day, going for a walk today. Hey, someone wrote on this sign here. I guess it's okay. Beep a da deer. Wait, no, a big bird. Big bird spotted around here. He's yellow. Quick. See him there? No. I don't see him there. There. Let's get out of here. Be on the lookout for Big Bird. There's some guy that looks just like Big Bird running around here. Okay, be on the lookout for him. He's a nice guy. He acts like, well, I don't know if he acts at all like Big Bird, but he looks like Big Bird. I don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna see if I can see him. Oh, there he is. There he is, running right by. There he is, that guy that looks like Big Bird. Hey! Wow, I can't believe it. He's running right by. That's amazing. Hey! Hey everybody, I'm not Big Bird at all. I'm just a guy that's a really good person, good father, filmmaker, amazing, talented person named John Birmingham. And I was just exercising out there trying to reduce my body fat and have fun with the dogs. Okay, let's do this. Terrible. I drank too much water. I drank a bunch of water. It said it was too low. Try it with no shirt on. I mean, it says too high. Let's try this with no shirt on, see if that changes anything. I tried to measure my body fat. I had a lot of water this morning. 207.2 pounds. I have literally 3 pounds of water that I drank that's in my system. That's going to affect the body fat measurement. What do you think? Can you tell? That's better. That's a lot better than it was. A lot better. Can you tell by the body fat scale checker? Probably about 18% body fat. I had drank 3 pounds of water, so it wasn't as accurate yet. I'm probably 18% body fat. I was like in the 20s somewhere, 20-something percent body, 23% or something like that. What, please? Yeah, no, Daisy. Daisy. No, don't go in. No.